Hello and welcome back to the Naked Streams YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing liquid culture to grain. And as always, we're going to be doing a little bit of a clean down, making sure that everywhere's sanitary. The flow hood is on and operational. So again, wiping down the clean kitchen roll after being sprayed with 70% isopropyl alcohol. And then we'll get ourselves ready with some gloves, pop those on. Squeeze those fingers in there. As always, isopropyl. Make sure everywhere's nice and sanitary. Wipe down any drips off the table. You can never be too clean. Making sure there's no bacteria knocking about. And overcomes the rack to keep everything off the table. Spray that down and give it a little wipe. Wipey, wipey, wipey. Just to get any excess off, really. I'm not too fussed about the table below. No, that's nice and clean. Bring over the grain bag, give it a spray down with 70% isopropyl, set it down on the rack in front of the flow hood. For this, I'm going to be laying it down so you can get the camera angle. I have separated the grains inside the bag so they're all loose. When they come out of the pressure cooker, spray down the syringe and the needle to make sure all that is sanitary too. We don't want any contamination getting in, so better to be safe than sorry. Give the hands a little dry in front of the flow hood. Peel back the packet on the needle just enough so that you can get the lower lock into the syringe, to remove the red cap from the lower lock syringe. This way we've minimized how long the syringe is open for. Even though we're in front of a flow hood, we'll still work as clean and as carefully as we can. Give the syringe a little shake and a tap to break up the mycelium. We'll just give that a little wipe there, just to make sure there's no excess alcohol on it. And then cap off and away, syringe into the bag, give it a squirt in a couple of different places, just a mil in total, a mil to 2 mil in total of liquid culture. You don't want too much in there. And then syringe cap back on. Get a new lower lock cap. Spray that down with 70% ISO. Same as before, we just want to pop the back of the lower lock cap through the packet and then remove the capped needle. Make sure that needle's capped. Lower lock cap in. Job done. That's a good one.